Rishikesh. This lively city is among the holiest places of Hindus. The river Ganga flows in eternity in this holy city, providing nourishment and life to many of the earthly beings. The word Rishikesh literally suggests the locks or hairs of a sage. The city is famously known as the gateway to the Garhwal Himalayas. Many locals as well as foreign tourists visit the place in the quest for spirituality and peace. Rishikesh is famous not only in India but around the world. Rishikesh is a small town with scenic surroundings and river Ganga right at its heart. Known as the world capital of yoga, the town is noted for the famous ancient ashrams and places like Ram Jhula and Lakshman Jhula. The beautiful Lakshman Jhula in Rishikesh. Lakshman Jhula happens to be one of the famous hanging bridges across the holy river Ganga. This Jhula is a link in between two important villages in Rishikesh. It connects the Tapovan village in Tehri Garhwal and Jonk village in Pauri Garhwal. This bridge is made up of iron and it is almost 450 feet long. As per the popular Hindu mythology, Ramayana, it is believed that Lord Ram and his brother Lakshman had crossed the Ganga river at the same place where the bridge has been built. The bridge was opened for public in the year 1929. Tourists now love to spend a considerable amount of time in these places in the course of their Rishikesh trip. Just beside Lakshman Jhula, there is a German bakery where you can relish the mouth-watering flavors of Rishikesh. This bakery is a very popular eatery in Rishikesh. It serves interesting dishes such as yak cheese sandwiches and fruit pancakes are highly recommended for breakfast. It has small open-air seating overlooking Lakshman Jhula, which makes it the perfect setting for a meal. After your tummy is full, there is one other amazing experience you can indulge in Rishikesh, and that is shopping. Rishikesh is known for its temples and ashrams. Therefore, the first things you will come across in the local markets are the religious objects like Rudraksh malas and the statues of deities. The culture of Rishikesh is quite vibrant, and that can be seen through the colorful local traditional arts. While wandering in the city, you will come across the shops where you can buy traditional handicrafts and heirlooms as well as other goods. The market is dotted with small and big shops that trade in everything from books and jewelries to toys and clothes. It will certainly suffice the shopper in you. Rishikesh has something for everyone. For pilgrims looking for spiritual solace, friends on an adventure, families spending time with their loved ones, or solo travelers looking to experience the city in their own way. And one of the prime attractions here are the Rishikesh beaches. These secluded riverside beaches are the best locations to soak in the beauty of the mighty Ganga. Whether you are traveling with a large group or looking to go off the beaten path with close friends. The beaches in Rishikesh are fantastic locations for both. Spectacular scenery, the tranquility, and good times with loved ones. Just some of the reasons why spending time on the Rishikesh beaches is amazing. Nothing can quite compare to the beauty of the Himalayas and the gentle sound of the flowing river Ganga nearby. They are perfect backdrops to reconnect with yourself. Rishikesh beaches is perfect for nature lovers and explorers. And the main attraction is you also get to eat your favorite Maggi and chai at the beach. The gurgling waters of the Ganga, a sky full of stars, beautiful flora and fauna, and exciting hiking trails. Rishikesh's natural beauty is a soothing balm for Har Har Mahadev. Sky above, sand below, peace within. The beach is calling, and I must go.
For some people, Rishikesh is all about adventure, river rafting, cliff jumping, and what else. But for me, Rishikesh means Ganga Maiya ke kinare, white sand, चमकता हुआ सूरज, कुछ खाने की चीजें और पूरा दिन, बस यही है ऋषिकेश. For me, Rishikesh is all about peace.